Wearing jeans in a classy, elegant way isn't about perfection. It's about confidence, comfort, and intention. Elegant looks with jeans are absolutely doable, and I'll show you how. I love jeans. They're versatile, timeless, and easy to wear, but making them look polished and elegant can sometimes feel tricky. In this video, I'll share simple ways to style your jeans into classy, chic outfits. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make denim look refined while still feeling like yourself. For an effortlessly cool vibe, pair black jeans with a sleek leather jacket and heels. Finish with sunglasses for that I'm busy but fabulous look. Confident, simple, and undeniably stylish. Try wide black jeans, a white top, a structured blazer, and a gray coat for a layered, sophisticated outfit. It's chic yet practical. Perfect for those unpredictable days when you want to look pulled together. A beige trench layered over double denim with a cream cardigan underneath is always a winner. It balances casual with polish. Stylish, without ever trying too hard. Making jeans look elegant is never about adding more. It's about refining what you already have. These simple details will turn everyday denim into something quietly sophisticated. Nothing elevates jeans faster than a beautiful coat. A camel coat feels timeless. A black trench adds mystery, and a red wool coat brings energy. Play with texture. Wool, velvet, or tweed for instant sophistication. Accessories are what turn casual into classy. Add pearl earrings, a gold watch, or a silk scarf, small details that transform the mood. And a structured handbag always finishes the look with quiet confidence. A single color story instantly reads elegant. Try all white, all beige, or deep navy tones. Layering similar shades gives that rich, expensive feel. Different textures in one color family keep the outfit dimensional and refined. If one item can make jeans look instantly elegant, it's a blazer. Tailored or oversized, it adds structure and confidence. A black or neutral blazer works for every season. It's the simplest way to polish denim. Shoes define the direction of your outfit. Ballet flats and loafers add understated polish. Ankle boots bring edge, and pointed heels create instant refinement. Choose pairs that look intentional, never worn out or too trendy. A slim turtleneck tucked into jeans is effortlessly chic. It elongates the silhouette and always looks smart. Add a necklace or earrings to personalize the look without clutter. Now, I know this video includes a lot of ideas, so I put everything together for you in my Elegant Jeans Style Guide. A simple download with all the key tips and tricks to make denim look refined and elevated. You can find it on my blog, the link is in the description. Balance is elegance. If your jeans are relaxed, go fitted on top. If they're skinny, add an oversized knit or blazer. That contrast makes even simple denim look styled and intentional. Dark wash jeans always feel more refined. They pair beautifully with crisp shirts and sleek blazers, perfect when you want jeans to pass for dress pants. Layering adds richness and warmth. Try a button-up under a sweater or a denim jacket under a wool coat. It's subtle dimension that turns a basic outfit into a styled look. A belt isn't just functional, it frames your silhouette. Choose something minimal in leather or suede. Sometimes a contrasting color can add the perfect accent. Swap the basic tee for a standout blouse, ruffles, lace, or silk. It brings femininity and focus while keeping the rest simple. The goal is one highlight piece that feels special but wearable. Some pairings never fail: a white tee, blue jeans, and a camel coat. The secret is clean lines, quality fabrics, and good fit. When everything feels simple and intentional, elegance follows naturally. A little styling trick that changes everything. A French tuck, full tuck, or side tuck instantly defines your waist and adds polish. Small detail, big impact. It's the difference between casual and styled. Dark jeans, loafers, a cream tee, and a cozy cardigan strike the perfect balance between relaxed and refined, ideal for coffee dates, errands, or casual meetings. Wide black jeans, flats, and a crisp white shirt with a gray cardigan, a timeless combo that always looks effortless. For a touch of attitude, try black jeans with a leather jacket, ankle boots, and a brown bag. It's bold, modern, and still classy. A blazer is one of the most timeless pieces you can own, and it instantly elevates jeans and boots. Focus on fit and quality for that polished, tailored feel. Current trends lean toward neutral colors, oversized leather styles, and classic checked patterns. Cozy scarf coats are also big this winter. Relaxed, oversized, and perfect with straight leg or skinny jeans and boots. Pointed toe boots add instant sophistication. Ideal for a chic, casual weekend look. A cashmere sweater is another winter essential. Warm, luxurious, and easy to maintain. Pair it with jeans, sleek boots, and a matching bag for a cozy elevated finish. For a touch of French charm, try a nautical-inspired sweater or striped jacket with blue jeans. It's timeless and playful, and adding cherry red accessories brings a modern twist. While puffer jackets may not be the most elegant, they're essential on cold, wet days. To keep things stylish, go for neutral tones and swap sneakers for chunky, sleek boots and a structured purse. Long wool coats remain one of the best ways to elevate jeans. Opt for a slim, tailored fit to balance the oversized silhouette. Aviator jackets add cool edge. Pair them with straight-leg jeans for balance. Brown tones work beautifully with camel boots and accessories, while black creates a sleek, urban vibe. Faux fur coats offer both warmth and style. Go playful with Mongolian-style textures or classic with sleeker faux fur. Shorter coats pair well with wide-leg jeans and platform boots, while longer ones suit straight jeans for a balanced silhouette. If you're in a warmer climate, try a waistcoat. It's a surprisingly elegant match for jeans and boots. Wide-leg jeans in brown or beige tones bring warmth and sophistication, especially with matching boots and accessories. A blazer coat combines structure and comfort, perfect for colder months. And for an equestrian-inspired style, pair skinny jeans with tall boots. Polished, practical, and timeless. Some quick outfit formulas. Brown Adidas sneakers with a beige trench, black jeans, and a white tee, relaxed yet stylish. Black jeans, leather jacket, white tee, and cream cardigan, polished with attitude. Plaid blazer, blue jeans, cream top, and ankle boots, perfect for everyday chic. Black jeans, white top, plaid blazer, simple, bold, and effortless. Leopard print top, dark jeans, and gray cardigan adds a daring modern edge. Black jeans, leather jacket, white tee, brown sneakers, and plaid scarf. Those small details make all the difference. Gray jeans with an oversized cream sweater and backless loafers, cozy yet elevated. Black cap, black blazer, white tee, light blue jeans, and sneakers, casual but polished. Cream jeans, white tee, black cardigan, and chunky loafers, casual meets classy. When we talk about jeans, people assume casual, but denim can be deeply elegant when we apply that same restraint. Start with the base. Choose structure over stretch, a rise that flatters, and a wash that's even and calm. Deep indigo, ecru, black, or a refined mid-blue. The right pair should skim, not squeeze. Length should elongate. The hem should meet the shoe with purpose. Then edit. A silk blouse or a fine knit brings softness. A blazer or trench adds line and clarity. Accessories whisper. A slim leather belt. A structured bag. Simple gold. A polished shoe. Each piece earns its place. V-neck sweater with light blue jeans and loafers. Cozy meets chic. Blazer, white tee, blue jeans, white sneakers, and a shoulder bag. A simple look styled to stand out. Blue jeans, white tee, black blazer, an effortless, timeless classic. Gray cropped cardigan, washed blue jeans, and white sneakers. Casual, cool, and easy. Cream jeans, white tee, white scarf, plaid blazer, and loafers. A monochrome layered favorite. Black leather blazer, black tank, cream jeans, and block heel sandals, feminine with an edge. Blue on blue outfit, jeans, cardigan, and sneakers, a chic monochrome moment. Blue and brown combo. Blue jeans with brown mules and bag. Warm, striking contrast. Plaid blazer, white shirt, black jeans and loafers. Sharp, classic, and elegant. Striped sweater, black wide leg jeans, sneakers, and a baseball cap, the perfect sporty chic balance. See how the right outerwear, thoughtful layering, and well-chosen accessories can completely transform jeans. These touches bring that polished, elevated look without effort. When styling jeans, focus on fit, quality, and proportion. Let each piece stand out without overpowering the rest. Every item should feel purposeful, whether oversized or sleek, textured or smooth. Balance is everything. If one piece is bold, let's say an oversized knit or statement coat, keep everything else streamlined. It's the easiest way to look refined without trying. Layering also adds depth and texture. Mix soft knits with structured blazers or sleek coats for a contrast that feels cozy and chic. And don't forget the little details. Scarves, structured bags, polished shoes. Those finishing touches make an outfit yours, adding elegance without excess. Proportion is everything. If your jeans are relaxed, keep the top more tailored. If the knit is oversized, define the waist with a tuck. If the coat is dramatic, let the rest go quiet. One statement at a time. Color carries mood. Monochrome feels composed. Navy on denim. Creams and camels. Grays layered from light to deep. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 tones and repeat them. Belt, bag, shoes to create that calm, expensive read. Ultimately, elegance is not about perfection. It's about confidence, comfort, and intention. Whether you're going to brunch, running errands, or dressing up for dinner, these ideas will help you make denim your most elegant everyday piece. I hope this guide inspires you to experiment with your own jeans and rediscover your style. If you'd like even more outfit ideas, my next video is packed with new inspiration to keep your looks chic and timeless. See you there.